Hi Pisces, welcome to Omkara Tarot and to your weekly You and Yours readings for the period of 25th to the 31st of May. These are energy readings, Pisces. Don't get fixated on the dates. Dates are just put to, to remind us as to when the readings were uploaded. Time is fluid, which means, these energies could be around you in right now. You could have gone through something like this in the recent past, or you could be you're going to go through this in your immediate future. And also know that these energies are general, so they're not going to be resonating with each and every one of you out there. So take what works for you and leave the rest. So Pisces, I will be setting out two sides, one for you and one for your other person. Now, please know these are not specific love readings. So, the other side could be a boss, could be a child, could be, a partner, could be a staff member who could be affecting your life at this time. I will be taking out love readings soon, so please subscribe so you could be notified of when they come out. Of course, a love interest could also show up here. We'll see. So the first card I have for you here, Pisces, is the Emperor in reverse, Page of Wands, Ten of Cups, beautiful, the World in reverse, Nine of Cups, Chariot, great. Now the other person has Four of Cups in reverse, Four of Pentacles in reverse, Death in reverse, Four of Swords in reverse, Knight of Pentacles upright, and the Five of Pentacles. For your mutual energy, I have here the Magician, Wheel of Fortune, and the Hermit. Fabulous. So now let's start clarifying these cards and see what message wants to come through. Pisces, the energies I see around me, right in front of me right now, seems to be maybe because what the world is going through, the COVID problem, and businesses shutting down. I see a lot of worry regarding finances, or lack of movement in work and business. A lot of worry regarding all that. I see on side A, this person wants, I have the Nine of Cups twice, is feeling pretty satisfied and happy otherwise, but in some areas of their life they're feeling a bit dissatisfied and weak. They are feeling that there is some delay in whatever progress they wanted to make, or maybe they were waiting for some contract, or maybe waiting for some news to come in. It's not coming, and right now they're feeling a little weak because of that. Too many cards came out, so I'm going to put them back. But person A is feeling like they're feeling a bit of loss of power because of they were maybe waiting for a certain message or a certain news about something which has been delayed, which would have given them a lot of happiness, and they're still holding on very tight to the fact that maybe it's going to come soon. And and this news which will come will make both parties feel very happy. Whatever news they were waiting for, or they are waiting for, right now the person is feeling a little disappointed, feeling loss of power, loss of strength, but they are not wanting to give up on that dream either, because they know that if this happens, it can lead to a lot of happiness in their life. They have the Nine of Cups twice here, and they have the Ten of Cups as well. This person, they feel it can make my family very happy if this can happen, and they're holding on to that wish for dear life. They're just not wanting to, even though they don't see any forward movement at this point. Okay, they're not seeing how to charge ahead, how to get that wish fulfillment or whatever. Maybe it's a business plan, maybe it's a payment which is meant to come. They know that if this comes, it can lead to a lot of stability and happiness in their family. But they really, I mean, this person really wants to charge ahead, really wants to charge ahead as soon as they get this news. So let's see, what is this chariot spirit? What is this chariot in person one's position? Why do they feel that, they don't want to lose out this opportunity? Yes, because if this news comes for this, person A, it can lead them to a lot of happiness. Okay, it can give them the 9 of cups, 10 of cups, which is wish fulfillment, happiness in the home, the sun shining, love around the house. Why is there the world in reverse? What is this person not wanting, to let go of? Spirit. Why is the world in reverse for them? What is this world? So this week I see a lot of waiting, but I also see some beautiful cards in the center. We'll get back to them. Yes, they're waiting for some message. They're holding on for dear life. This person waiting on dearly, that just hoping and praying that that message comes through, which can make them feel, back in power, back in control, and they can get rid of whatever heartbreak, pain they're feeling at the moment. Because without that, maybe it's a business deal, maybe it's a check that you're expecting in the post, something which is without which they are feeling a little powerless. And they also know that if it happens, it can change their world. It can change, the happiness around them, and they can finally move ahead, charge ahead, bring their loved ones maybe nice things, bring happiness and joy. They're just not willing to give up on this dream, it seems. Now let's see what person B is going through. Well, now this could be you, could be you, Pisces, or this could be you. So now you have to see which side you're resonating on. But I see person B is feeling pretty depressed at the moment. This person is kind of feeling Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, they're feeling nothing's going to happen, and I don't think this is going to come through. I'm giving up hope. I'm letting go of this feeling of that anything can be done, or it's going to get better. They feel okay, now everything's going to come apart. And so one person is hopeful, the other person is feeling a bit let down. They feel it's over, it's not going to happen. Even though heart of hearts, even they are really wanting some kind of balance to come back in their life. They don't want to end this either. It's a death in reverse. This means a person who is unwilling to let something go. Okay, so even though they feel this way right now, they also are heart of hearts wanting this balance to come back into the family, or maybe they may be not sharing it with the other person, but heart of hearts has exactly what they want to. So they are going deep within to see why this King of Pentacles is in reverse, right? King of Pentacles is a person who's not able to maybe provide at this present time. They are going within to see how they can maybe be of some support, of help to the other person. They want to come out of, or help the person to come out of the stagnant situation that they've been in. They also have the Knight of Pentacles, which is like a message coming to them. Let's see, Spirit, what is this Knight of Pentacles? Clear communication. They could be waiting for some kind of, a formal figure, could be a father figure in the house, or maybe a letter from the lawyer, or somebody to bring them some clear communication regarding whatever is happening here. Yes, here court case maybe. It's a justice in reverse. Okay, so they're waiting. Both parties are waiting desperately for some judgment or justice to come through, which they're feeling it's not happening, and kind of losing. At least one person is losing hope and feeling, a bit left out in the cold, feeling a little not having enough money or having enough funds at the moment. I have a peeker here, so let me just find it. Same card again. Okay, so 3 cards wanted to come out. So I have the same repeating card here, 4 of Swords and the 4 of Swords. So this person desperately also wants themselves and the other person to come out of the stagnant position that you both have been put into. Because they feel that without that, there is, the happiness of the home is getting affected. Without this news coming forward, there is no happiness. They're feeling a lack of happiness, emotional satisfaction in their life. They feel their home life is getting affected because of the lack of this news coming forward. Though this person looks hopeful, is feeling disappointed, but is still looking forward and seeing their maybe glass is half empty and not focusing on whether it won't happen. They're thinking more than if it happens, this can happen. If this happens, this can happen. This person is also wishing the same, but is feeling a bit disappointed, feeling a bit sad, and feeling that maybe, these things may or may not happen on time. Now let's see the mutual energies of both of you, which look beautiful to me. I have the Magician here. Magician is when you can manifest anything that you want, and it's supported by the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so both are trying this week to maybe you're doing your prayers or you're making deals with God to say, please God, do this for us and we'll do this and we'll do that. You're both in hermit mode this week, going within to see how you can manifest this new beginning for yourself. And but center of the spread, I do have the Wheel of Fortune, which tells me things will soon get turn in your favor. Wheel of Fortune is never stuck for long, folks. And if the way I see both of you manifesting this and going within and connecting to your higher selves, even though right now you feel you're not getting your share of the pie, both of you are feeling that, you are both manifesting that as well. And you want to come out of the stagnancy now. That enough is enough. Not feeling victorious. Okay? Not feeling like you've won. This is in the mutual energy of both of you. You really want whatever is hidden to come to light. You want whatever news has to come, let it come. You're waiting desperately for that messenger who's going to bring you that news. I think it's regarding the security of your home. This could be something which affects the stability of your home, the happiness of your home, but it's upright. And there's a Wheel of Fortune in the center as well. So maybe not exactly this week, but it's definitely going to happen. Don't worry about it, Pisces. I see this week both of you totally manifesting this new beginning, or there's not a new beginning as such, the new beginning that you wanted, the news for that to arrive. It's just a matter of time from what I can see, because the Wheel of Fortune, if it was in reverse, I would have said otherwise. But right now, you both have to get out of this position of being worrying and stressing. You cannot manifest when you're in this position. Okay? On one hand, you are trying to will things to go in your favor, but you're negating it with this. Worrying, staying up at night, not being able to sleep, thinking that the worst will happen, the choice, wondering what the choice will be, will it be in your favor or not. So don't do that, Pisces. If you cannot have Magician and the Nine of Pentacles simultaneously. It's going to lead to stagnation. Anything else, Spirit, for Pisces and their person for this week? Anything else for this? News is coming, Pisces, don't worry. The little bell which rang, I think, tells me that. Right now, don't be in a negative frame of mind. That's all Spirit is saying. That's exactly what I said here. You both are willing it and fearing it as well. You want it to happen, but you're thinking it's not going to happen. So that's why you both are stuck in a position where you are not being able to, see any progress in whatever you are trying to do. You work towards it, manifest it, and let go of the fear. That's your advice right now. That's how you're going to have growth. That's definitely how you're going to have growth. The Wheel of Fortune will only move in abundance when you lose, that fear that you have between both of you right now. I think you're mirroring each other. One is trying to pretend otherwise, but I think both of you are. I'm wondering how this card came out again. Or did I put it back? And it's just jumped out again. The Eight of Pentacles is back here. So basically I think what it's trying to say is, don't worry about the end result right now. Take any little step you can to reach your end result. Be very meticulous. We just concentrate on the task at hand, the day that you live in the present. Instead of worrying about all the pentacles, work on one at a time. And you'll reach there because you're manifesting it. And the Wheel of Fortune is definitely going to, be in your favor soon. Right now, you don't see anything moving forward. This is your energy right now, Pisces. It's a very wrong energy to be in. You cannot, I repeat, you cannot manifest and fear the worst at the same time. So let's see what the angels want to bless you with this week. Anything the angels can help us, Pisces, to go through this time, and their partner who's as worried as them, it seems. Anything we can expect from the universe as help. So the card I have for you, Pisces, is have faith, my dear Pisces. Have faith. Where, a person who has faith, there is no room for fear. You cannot have faith and fear at the same time. The entire reading has been about that. If you believe, then you believe 100% or don't believe. Okay? Let's have one more card for you. Keep your faith so strong. Leave no room for anything to go wrong. If you're expecting a message which is going to bring you happiness, believe it's already come. Believe it's going to bring you that joy, happiness, stability in your home that you are looking for. One more card for Pisces. Signs from above. Okay, maybe this reading itself, Pisces, has been a sign for you to let go of your fear. Okay, and just start noticing the little blessings you're getting in your life now. All the positive things which are happening in your life. You do feel a sense of, home, your family being emotionally satisfied within each other. You do feel a lot of love in your, with you and maybe your spouse. You start counting your blessings. Instead of fearing of what is not going to happen for your family, think of what you already have with your family. Okay? I think, Pisces, if you can manifest without fear, your Wheel of Fortune is not going to not turn sooner than later. Okay? Everything's going to be well. It's totally up to you to manage your stress. Okay? You manage your stress, leave it behind, and have complete faith that things are going to move forward. You will get that message, and that message will be to your highest good and your family's highest good. So I hope to, please leave a comment. I'd love to see, when this good news comes, which is going to come soon, please leave a comment and tell me that. It will make me really, really happy. So see you next week, Pisces. And God bless, take care, and have complete faith. The whole universe is with you today. Thank you for being here.